First, open the Xumo app on your device. This works the same on Xumo Playbox, Roku, Fire TV, Android TV, or iOS. Next, navigate to the Settings menu in the app. Look for the Language and Audio section in Settings. In the Language settings, select English from the drop-down menu. It might show as Inglés if currently in Spanish. Check the audio settings. Under Audio Tracks or Subtitles, select English. Save your changes and restart the app if prompted. Your Xumo box interface and audio will now be in English. While switching languages is usually seamless, not all content offers dual language audio, so some channels may remain in Spanish. Ensure your Xumo app is up to date to access the latest language features. Updates released in 2025 include AI-driven language detection that suggests language preferences based on your location, but this can be overridden. If you're still having trouble, check Xumo's official help center for troubleshooting tips. Remember, these settings are designed to persist across sessions, so you shouldn't have to change them every time you use the app. By understanding these language settings, you can personalize your Xumo experience and enjoy content in your preferred language.